It's always best to buy fresh fruits and vegetables from the organic range because a lot of chemicals are used in agriculture, such as pesticides, fungicides and insecticides, which leave a residue on the skin that can be harmful to our health. So I'm starting off by washing these grapes in my homemade fruit and veg wash solution. Add 1 cup of warm water to a large bowl. Then add 4 to 6 teaspoons of salt and mix thoroughly until the salt granules dissolve completely. Add 1 litre of cold water, then put the grapes into the bowl before adding the remaining 2 litres, making sure that the bowl doesn't overflow. So the trick is to make sure that all the grapes are covered in the salt water solution and then leave to soak for at least 30 minutes. After allowing the grapes to soak for 30 minutes, drain out the salt water and give them a rinse under the cold water tap. Then prepare the grapes by separating them from the stem. Homemade food is the healthiest option because it's free from additives and preservatives, and most importantly, you can control the amount of added salt and sugar you want to use. These are seedless grapes, so no seeds need taking out. Transfer the prepared grapes into a saucepan, then add 1 to 2 tablespoons of vanilla extract. And that's it. That's the only ingredient I'm going to add to my grape jam. No added sugar because the grapes are sweet enough. Honestly, the aroma is absolutely amazing. Allow the grapes to cook for 20 minutes. They will soften and release all that tasty sweet juice. When the liquid reduces, it's time to give it a quick blend with the hand blender until it reaches the desired consistency. So this can either be a little smooth with bits left over or completely smooth, just how I like it. Allow the mixture to cook until the liquid reduces into a thick pulp. Now at this stage it tends to get a bit messy as it'll spit out of the pan, so it's better to cover it halfway with a lid. And here we are, my homemade, simple and luscious grape jam ready to serve.